Wings Birds Park at Ramoji Film City, the most fascinating place in Hyderabad to explore a wide range of wings in the lap of nature. Welcome to my channel Travel and Textiles by Mridu. A wonderful place for kids to see different birds which are not seen in India. Huge number of special and rare species birds and swans from Australia, Mexico, Italy, Indonesia and China are seen here. An amazing place for bird watchers and photographers too. These sculptures and the waterfalls are the added attraction of this park. This bird park is home to an impressive collection of various species from all over the world. The birds roaming, walking and flying around is a sight to behold. Visitors are not supposed to feed them. Come on, I will show you few sleeping beauties here. This is a kind of swan, Cascaroba. These swans typically sleep on open water at night with their feathers fluffed out for warmth and their head and neck tucked under the wing. Another one, the sleeping beauty. This park is well maintained in an eco-friendly way to support the environment and to raise the birds close to nature. Another section for free-range birds. Can you listen to the chirping sound of these beauties? These winged beauties are welcoming me to the park and curious to talk with me. You know one thing? They are great at doing mimicry too. The vibrant colors of the exotic birds, the beautiful songs they sing and the peaceful location of the bird park is sure to make your heart soar. Wait no more and experience this magical world of nature. First stand with Ramoji Film City. Now the time is 6 o'clock. It's closing time. So the watchman was waiting for me to close the gate. So I was rushing and taking the videos. Thank you for watching my channel. You can see ostrich eggs here.